Welcome to PLP. This installation video is for the multi-drop bracket direct mount. Attach the bracket to the structure using a 5/8 inch through bolt, 5/8 inch double arming bolt, or a 1 1/4 inch wide banding. There is a designated notch on the bracket for the banding to be seated in. The FIBERLIGN Multi-Drop Bracket direct mount can be mounted vertically or horizontally when bolted to the structure. Each spool location on the bracket is rated up to 1,200 pounds for a maximum tensile rating of 7,200 pounds. In this installation, a double arming bolt will be used to mount the bracket. Begin by attaching a washer and a 5/8 inch nut to the arming bolt. Slide the bolt with the hardware through the slotted hole in the front of the bracket. Feed the bolt through the hole in the structure and rest the bracket to the mounting location. Attach another washer and nut on the back side of the arming bolt. Center the arming bolt and tighten both nuts. Ensure the direct mount bracket is secured to the structure. For this installation, we'll be using the FIBERLIGN extended span dead end. Begin with the uppermost spool location for easier installation. Begin by feeding the dead end component through the posts of the multi-drop bracket and position it parallel to the cable. Ensure that the dead end is aligned wholly within the saddle of the single segmented spool section. Only one dead end per spool section is allowed. After tensioning the line to your company's practices, align the cable with the crossover mark of the dead end and begin wrapping the legs over the cable. Wrapping of the legs can be done one by one or both simultaneously. Ensure the gap between both legs is evenly spaced. When false dead ending, ensure that the proper bend radius of the cable is maintained. A unigroup cable guide is used to protect the cables from abrasion at the pole. In the horizontal orientation, the direct mount multi-drop bracket can be used for smoother transitions when entering or exiting a closure. This also applies for transitions from underground to overhead installations. Once installation is complete, ensure all the dead end loops are seated properly onto the hitches of the bracket. Check that all cables are parallel and free of interference with one another.